Having trouble with your T-Mobile mesh access points not connecting? Let's understand and fix the common issues with Backhaul, WPS, and DHCP. Backhaul is the connection between your main gateway and access points, either wireless using Wi-Fi bands or wired via Ethernet. Common issue: wireless backhaul fails due to interference. WPS simplifies pairing access points without passwords. Issue: pairing fails if timing out or security blocks it. DHCP assigns IP addresses to connected devices. Issue: conflicts or expired leases cause no IP errors. To troubleshoot, start by checking your gateway's connection to the T-Mobile cell tower. Use the T-Mobile app to run a mesh test diagnostic. If wireless backhaul is weak, move access points closer to the gateway or use Ethernet if possible. For WPS problems, disable then re-enable WPS on the gateway and press the WPS buttons on both devices simultaneously. For DHCP errors, access the gateway's admin panel at 192.168.12.1 and reserve static IPs for mesh nodes. As general fixes, power cycle all devices and ensure firmware is updated. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, consider these advanced fixes. Ensure your gateway firmware is up to date. T-Mobile released version 2.3.1 in April 2025 to improve backhaul stability. Ensure your gateway firmware is up to date. T-Mobile released version 2.3.1 in April 2025 to improve backhaul stability. In device-heavy homes, increase the DHCP lease time. Looking ahead, T-Mobile's Smart Mesh uses AI to optimize backhaul and DHCP settings automatically. By 2027, expect Wi-Fi 7 integration for faster speeds. Remember, placement matters. Avoid walls and metal objects that can block signals. Expert tip: prioritize line of sight for your APs. While WPS is convenient, it's less secure. Consider alternatives for critical devices. Key stat: T-Mobile's customer surveys show mesh connectivity issues are decreasing due to firmware improvements. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support directly at 1-800-937-8997.